get wait, I won't make we talk.
Waiting be that.
I won't make Oga pursue Zamzam come out for this house. If not, Zamzam go pursue all of us come out for this house. So. Salome, wait you talk na true talk. Eh? But the problem is that I don't know what we will do to chase Zamzam out of this house before she pursues us come out. No problem. Don't tell anybody. I'm not going to tell anybody. Before she go pursue us out of this house, we go fetch pursue her. Now she employs us.
Zamzam. Salome.
Sir.
Abigail.
Sir.
Jumbu.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Which of you went into my bedroom and took the 200,000 naira I kept in my drawer?
That is not me.
Not you.
Yes, sir.
You better not lie to me. Because if I find out, not only will that person leave this house today, I will lock the person up. So tell me the truth now.
That is not me.
It's not you.
Yes, sir.
It's not you. Abigail, it's not you.
Sir, it's not me.
And you, it's not you. Honey, please take these folks to their rooms. Search all their bags. Let's know who has this money.
Including Zanga's own.
Everybody's bag.
Follow me.
All of you! Hey, stay here. Okay, sister. What kind of human beings are these?
No.
You don't know?
Yes, sir. I don't know.
What kind of human being are you?
Ordinary, just ordinary girl.
You shut up your mouth! Alika.
Honey, here is your money.
What?
I found it in Salome's bag.
Salome!
I don't want money to go into my bag. I'm not a thief.
Listen to me. Go inside, pack everything that belongs to you and leave my house this moment. If I go upstairs and back and you're still here, you will see the other side of the line.
Oga, please, I don't want to go into my bag. It's not me, please. Madam, fear me to beg Oga. It's not me that took the money. It's not me.
I'm ashamed of you.
Madam, it's not me. Believe me, I'm telling you the truth, oh. Abigail. Abigail. Oga. Okay, you know that you are innocent. It's not me that took the money, oh.
Just go. You are a thief. Just go. You are a criminal.
You think that he's a thief? It's you.
Just go. Go, just go like that. Go.
Nai, odogwu nwoke. Asa nwoke ka nwaanyị mma. Hai, nai. Ema o nwere ebe ọ na-eme kpatụ maka otu a, isi ekopụ m.
Bịa nwaanyị a, mgbe ọ bụla isi etu a wee na-etu m afa, o nwere ife ị na-ede. O nwere ife ị na-ede. Because ọ gbara aka. Nke bi na ka na-asị nwoke ka nwaanyị mma, nwoke ọ na ka nwaanyị mma. O nwere ife ị na-ede gwa m.
Nai, you know I'm saying the truth now. I'm saying the truth. Nai, there's something I want to tell you.
I'm all ears.
I want to travel to the city to know how our daughters are faring.
It's a very good idea. But I also want you to know that you are not the only one that gave birth to them. I want to know how they are faring too. They are my children.
Nai, what are you insinuating? Do you mean to tell me you want to travel with me?
Of course, yes. Sure, you need to start making arrangements. Go on now, start arranging things so that first thing tomorrow morning we'll leave for the city.
This is a woman thing now. You're not supposed to travel with me. Oh, Cheryl. Are you trying to say that if I visit them, whatever my in-law gives to me, I will have to share it with you? Ha,
if plans are going to this time, I am going with you. What if I take a woman affair or woman something?
Nine. There is no way you have to go with me. Ha.
I got my head of this household. You want to go to the city alone?
Ben. Yes, sir. Please get me a glass of water.
May I sit with you, sir?
Okay, cool. Sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me the water. Benji! Are you okay? What do you mean, what am I doing? So because I told you you remind me of my youth, you have decided to put on some air, some activity, right? Now let me tell you something. I'm a nigga who flowed. You know what I mean? Even you cannot believe it. Don't do that. Now kneel down, put up your hands and close your eyes. I said kneel down, put up your hands and close your eyes. Is something wrong with you, Benji? Holy snakes. Holy money swallowing pythons. Did I do this? Damn. This is totally unforgivable. Totally irredeemable. Totally unacceptable. As an honorable man, I will judge myself. Speak nothing. Damn. I did this. I'll be right back.
So sorry about that, sir. So sorry. Sorry.
Sir, I have decided to cause you no more pains. Because I know the gravity of the offense I have committed, I have decided to sack myself. This is my things and I'm leaving. No, don't worry, you have not done me wrong. You have done. Did I do that? Snakes. Have we been living with a madman in this house?
I don't know. I think so.
Nobody told me.
Zamzam. 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 Zamzam.
I called you out here on behalf of my daughter to beg you to forgive her. No matter whatever she have done to you, please find a place in your heart and forgive her. Remember, to err is human, but to forgive is divine. Please.
I've heard you, Mama. God in heaven knows I love my wife.
My wife has changed.
I know, I understand. But please, do not forget the promises you made to her on your wedding day. To stand by her for better and for worse. And remember our adage that says that if you look at the mouth of an old woman, you will not believe she ever sucked breast. What am I trying to say here? Every family has its own challenging time. But your ability to stand by it is what makes you as a man. Please, forgive her.
Thank you, Mama. I've heard you. I will do everything possible to make peace in my home and make sure that everything goes right.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
What am I even doing here? Why should I be the one begging you? Why you are supposed to beg me? Why is it you are maltreating my daughter? What is even wrong with you? Eh? I am going inside there to pack my bags because I can see that here cannot contain the two of us again.
Mama, what is it now?
Hey, look at you! Very stupid and useless man. Eh? You are maltreating my daughter, treating her anyhow. Let me just go.
Mama? What is this madness all around? Mama?
My in-law, there's something I want to bring to your notice about this girl living in this house called Zamzam.
What is it?
Ever since this girl stepped into this house, most of the awful and mysterious things that has been happening in this house, I feel she's the one responsible for it all. Especially what happened to Benji and Abigail the other day. I feel that girl Zamzam is responsible for it all.
Do you think she's saying the truth?
Yes, but I don't think Zamzam has anything to do with it all. That girl is just a poor innocent girl.
Poor innocent girl. Have you seen that girl's eyes before? Even the way her eyes would turn to red sometimes, and it seems as if there's fire coming out from that girl's eyes when she's angry. You've not noticed that? My in-law, I believe and suggest that we should call that girl and ask her some questions about herself.
Zamzam. 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 Come.
Who are you and where are you from?
Zamzam. Zamzam.
You can go. It's nothing, just go back to what you were doing.
Thank you very much.
Zamzam.
In fact, she found the money that was missing in this house and other things that went missing.
She's such a sweet girl. A poor innocent girl. She has nothing to do with all these things you're talking about.
Hey, yeah. Okay. But I still suggest that we should keep an eye on that girl. I've said my own.
You worry too much.
Okay. I've said my own. Sorry. Sorry.
Sisters will always be sisters.
What are you looking at?
What am I looking at? Did I tell you I was looking at anything? What kind of question is that? Don't come here and ask me stupid questions. Get out, let me go.
And you? So your mission in my house is to seduce my husband, or where?
God forbid. Madam, no. Sorry. My clothes, it was done before. I don't know how.
Shut up your mouth. It was what? It was what? Look at you. With your dirty self and your dirty laps, you want to take my own husband away from me. Okay? You see that place they sent you? Eh? See how you met the wrong person. Eh? You see, today, you are leaving my house. Jambo! Get out! Come and take this man out of my house! If you touch me again, I'll blind you. Look at you. Eh? See the way you are showing, clean, pretending to be clean. Eh? They're good dirty laps. Are you mad? Your laps is better than my own, okay? No. Look at you.
It's not.
Jambo! Come and take this man out of my house, Biko.
We were family, we were best friends. And this love, I thought it would never end. How could you let this nothing come between us? How could you let this hatred show? You just ruined this life.
My chief, why is it that my sister is highly favored than me? Why is it that nothing good can ever come my way? The man that I loved has been taken by my only sister. And to make matters worse, everyone thinks that nothing good can ever come from me. Jenny, from today onwards, as long as I live, you would never have peace in your life.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here in my room?
My name is Zamzam, and I'm your messenger.
Zamzam.
I brought the parcel which you asked for. Or have you forgotten the wish you made to make your sister's life a living hell?
It was only out of anger. I never meant it.
There is power in the tongue of a man. Whatever you proclaim shall come to pass. You can't stop it. Because the more you try, the stronger it becomes.
No. I love my sister. And I can do anything just for that wish to be broken.
But she doesn't love you. At least, not as much as you do. You give up things for your sister. but she doesn't. Now watch this.
Mama to beat me if she sees you like this.
I want her to beat you. Let her beat you.
Please, I'm your sister.
I said you're not my sister before because I regret having you as a sister.
Pushing me, please now. Please now.
Start doing this.
Now, dear Fama.
You will buy me my favorite.
Huh? Which is?
My good clothes now. The wrapper I told you about at that time. You think it's easy to pull off this?
No, crying. Yeah, you know that when the guy was beating me, what did you do? At least stop crying now.
Jenny, what happened to you?
Mama, it's a girl in our school.
Did what?
She beat me up.
Elizabeth, and where were you? And what were you doing when they beat up your sister? Eh?
Mama, I was in my class, so when she came out, she was crying.
Look at you. How could you say that out of your mouth? I was in my class and she came out. The only sister you have, you cannot even protect her. Eh? If you were other people now, you'll be the best. Okay, money, look.
Look, let me tell you. Next time someone is beating your sister, the only protection you have to give to her is to beat that person very, very well. If you don't do that, don't even bother coming back to this house. Else, I will skin you alive and bury you alive. Nemo. It's okay, don't cry. Eh? I prepared your favorite dish. Eh?
Okay.
Let's go. I'll give it to you.
Why? How could you love the devil? Why? And now you've ruined everything. Why? How could you let the devil in? Why? And now you brought this
I will send those goods across to you as soon as I get to Lagos so that you can start work immediately.
Okay, that would be good.
Elizabeth, unless I forget. Take this.
Thank you, Uncle.
Give this to your younger sister when she comes back.
Thank you.
Make sure you give it to her. Brother, I beg to take my leave.
Thank you very much.
Uncle, bye-bye.
My husband, go well, eh?
Learn how to show love to your younger sister. Bye-bye.
Thank you, John. See your sister did.
Will you stop showing your greedy mentality? Money that was given to this small girl.
Is it not money that you used to eat? I
And
need
you,
it.
you have to learn how to show love to your younger sister.
What, Papa?
Go inside. Please, I'll do my hair with this and buy some things. Bye-bye, eh? May God bless you for giving us this money.
Ikenna, is there any problem?
Actually, I've been following you around and I've been following you all this while. Jenny, please, can't you see, eh? See, I love you so much that I can't take you off my mind. Can't you see it?
All these things you are saying is meant for my sister and not me. She's my elder sister and she's your girlfriend.
Forget about Elizabeth. Forget about Elizabeth. Elizabeth is older than me. She's older than me. Forget about my size. Forget about all this you're saying. I'm 15 no, and she's 16. Can't you see? She's older than me.
So, you mean you want us to go out?
Yes, of course, yes.
Okay, well, I accept.
Why? And now you've ruined everything. Why? And now you.
Ngozi, are you sure of what you're telling me?
Yes. Have I ever lied to you before? I said I saw them kissing and hugging each other. Well, if you don't believe me, let me take you to where they are so you can catch them yourself.
Wait, Jenny, my own sister.
Your own sister, she's betraying you.
Let's go.
You know you're beautiful.
Thank you.
You're fine. Look at your fine skin.
Thank you.
Look at your fine face.
Thank you.
Ikenna, it's true what Ngozi just told me. Ikenna, you were going out with my younger sister. I can't believe my eyes.
Sorry. I don't love you. Your sister that I love. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, sis. Please, I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry.
You're a wicked boy, so wicked.
How could you love the devil in? Why? And now you've ruined everything. Why? How could you love the devil in? Why? And now you've brought this to human hearts.
Just children. We acted out of ignorance. That doesn't stop her from being my sister.
You were just children, huh?
Okay.
How about when you became adults? Let's see this.
This man, who is he waiting for there? Hey, this man, he's so cute and handsome. He's just my dream man for a husband. Hey, Jenny. What? Yeah. What? If you like him so much, walk up to him and tell him how you feel and stop daydreaming. No. The man will come and meet me. Don't. No, I'll just go and tell him that I like him. Say, no, I can't be that girl. Hey, Uba, again, I'm choosing one girl. Okay.
Is that not the man we saw yesterday?
Hey, he's the one, oh. You see? That means we were destined to meet each other.
Yeah. Men like this, forget it.
Why? How do you mean?
You see, men from rich homes, they are always saucy, arrogant, and mannerless.
Jenny, you cannot just judge someone just by looking at the person. It doesn't work that way. Looks can be deceiving.
Please, I know. It's now dawned on me that you like him. In fact, you love him.
Of course I like him.
Go walk up to him and tell him that how you feel. If you don't want to do that, I will do that for you.
No, you will not do anything like that. He should be the one to come and meet me, not the other way around. That is the pride of a woman. Hi, Jenny.
Big sis, forget pride. The baby pride now. Go for what you want. Oh, what am I saying? Let me go and tell him how you feel.
Hey, Jenny. Hey, Jenny.
Are you blind?
No, you watch your way, rude boy.
I am not a boy.
Neither am I blind.
What kind of a girl are you?
A girl that doesn't take nonsense from rich men like you. Anyway, I'm here because my elder sister over there loves you. That's what I came to tell you. Bye.
Hey, wait. What's your name?
My name? What for?
Because I'd like to know the name of the girl who gave me the biggest embarrassment of my life today.
Well, I'm the last daughter of Mazi Okafor. Bye.
And wait. Tell your sister next time when he needs someone, she should walk up to the person and talk to him herself. Days are gone when people send others to go for this kind of errand.
Bye.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, my son.
You're welcome, my son. My name is Wilson. I am Chief Tony's son.
Are you looking for any of my daughters?
Yeah, actually, I made some inquiries while I was coming here, and I was told that...
Rude boy.
Rude girl. Wait 1 minute. Do you two know each other?
Yes, Papa, but
No, don't worry. That makes it easier. Eh? Go and bring chair for our August visitor.
No, that wouldn't be necessary, sir. My stay here will be brief. I just came to let your daughter know that I have interest in her.
Me? No, my elder sister, Lizzie.
You are the one I have interest in.
But she's the one that loves you. It's not me. You should be talking to her, not me.
Don't worry, Don't worry about that. My son, you see, you are free to visit us anytime you want. She is all yours.
Yes.
Hey, ANEKWE,
you can even take her now.
In that case, you have to give me some time to think about it.
Not to worry. I'll give you all the time you need to think about it and give me your response.
See, my son. No need to think about anything. See, from now on, you are our son-in-law. It has started.
Please, I'll take my leave now, Papa. I am rushing somewhere, but I'll check you up some other time.
Right.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Our in-law.
Hello. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I am on my way out. See you guys some other time.
Just like I told you before, your sister can never give up anything for your happiness.
In that case, she will never know happiness as long as I live. Good. Good.
Now let's get to work.
Jambu! Jambu!
Madam!
Open the gate.
Eh?
You deaf? I said she opened the gate.
Now what? Where madam they go by this time of the night? Eh? Just the waka like pussy. They go. No, you don't concern me. You don't concern me. Make you the problem no bother me. Because your problem, now your problem. My own problem, they my body. Your own, they your body. Just the waka they go.
Jambu! Jambu! Jambu!
Madam, welcome. Hey. Ah, madam, you look good though. Hey. Hey, madam. Madam, you can't do catwalk. Madam, don't do catwalk. Elephant walk. Monkey walk. Hey. Well, I say, madam, don't join our shower business. What did make him come back by this time? Hi. God, I beg you. I don't know whether you go make organo. I beg, I beg you. I beg. Hey. Madam, don't join us whole business. On the catwalk, elephant walk, monkey walk. Madam, the catwalk. Wow. Eh? Come wake me up for this better sleep while they sleep. I go tell Oga. I go tell. Even if madam they do ashawo work or night duty, she's supposed to do shifting now. Not only me, I know say they do permanent. Now wow. Plus I go tell Oga say madam don't they do ashawo work. I go tell Oga. But before then I go first pinch madam whether she go settle me. If she not settle me, I go tell Oga. Ah! I want to tell you something.
You want to tell me something?
I want to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, sir.
Are you not stupid?
Yeah, okay, sometimes.
You stopped me here to say you wanted to tell me something and you're telling me nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Will you get out and go open the gate for me?
Yes, sir. You get what I want to tell you. I want to tell you something.
I hope you have something serious to tell me this time, not that foolery.
Okay, something serious there. I go tell you.
Okay, what is it?
I go tell you. Okay, madam, they come out for night.
Which madam?
My own madam, your own.
Something is wrong with you. I'm always with her every night in this house, so what are you talking about?
Okay, you know go know. Okay, not only me get two naked eyes why they take see her when she they come out. She be not only me. They open the gate for her when she they come out.
So where does she always go?
Okay, I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes she go do like say something do and she go disappear. She go appear. I don't know. The thing just they do me vam for eye.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, I did very sure. Yeah, yes, I sure well. Oga no beat madam. Hey, Oga no beat madam.
Sadie, your breakfast is ready.
Where do you normally go at night when everyone is asleep?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You better start answering me now before I descend on you in a manner you have never imagined.
Honey, you have accused me of stealing. You have called me names. You have practically turned me into your punching bag. Now you're accusing me of infidelity. What have I done to you? What have I done to you? Where did I go wrong? I was downstairs making your breakfast.
Guys, shut up your mouth! You think you can deceive me with crocodile tears? Get out of my way!
So, what's good?
I'm beginning to think that what you said about Zamzam is true. I have this feeling that she's not whom I think she is. I mean, she is
nothing, Jen. Chidi, I think you're just overreacting. And it's because of this problem you've been having with your husband, that's why. Come on, there's really no need transferring your aggression on that little girl. She's done nothing. Why are you staring at me like that?
I don't understand you. 1 minute you dislike the girl. The next minute you're her biggest fan. I mean, you're getting me confused.
You are the one confusing yourself, honestly. The only problem I see right now is try and settle with your husband. Honestly, I think you'll come back to normal when you do that. I didn't know this was why you were calling me. Just try and settle, okay? Something I want to discuss with you.
Can it not wait? Do you have to talk about it at this time of the night?
It can't wait, please. I'm sorry.
Okay, what is it about?
Honey, it's about Zamzam.
Zamzam? What about her?
I'm no longer comfortable with her. I think she's honey, I think she's evil. I want her out of this house.
I thought she was a favorite.
Not anymore.
Is this the reason you woke me up at this time of the night? This is actually the reason you disrupted my sleep this night, right? I have seen that those workers you sacked are not the problem, but you are the problem. And the earlier you realize that, the better for you. Don't you ever in your life wake me at this time of the night again to talk trash. If you don't mind, I have to go back to sleep.
You mean you have been going through all this? And you never bothered to let me know? But how can your husband be so mean as to treat you like a slave?
I don't know. Since this marriage began, it has been from one trouble to the other. I don't know what to do, honestly. I don't know what to do.
My dear friend, I want to ask you a question. Do you pray?
Not at all. I find it very difficult to pray. In fact, I'm weak at prayers.
My dear friend,
Don't you think you have stayed away from God for too long? You need to visit him in prayers, my dear, because he's the only one that can solve all your problems. You can't solve it alone. Give God a chance. You will see his miracles.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rebecca. I've heard what you said. I'll do exactly that.
You are welcome. You're welcome, darling.
Sorry.
That's all right. I understand. That's okay.
So please, what do I offer you?
Anything soft would do, my darling. Okay.
I'll be right back.
That's all right.
I lift up my eyes to the hills. From where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. Jesus, you are Alpha and Omega. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. Worthy of my praise. King of glory, the omnipotent, omniscience, and omnipresent God, the I am that I am, the Lion of the tribe of Judah, God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Oh Lord, I'm here. Father, I'm here before you. Father, please listen to my cry. Father, come and restore peace in my marriage. Whatever the enemy, whatever bad seed that the enemy has planted in my marriage, in my husband's life, oh King of glory, come and uproot it, oh God. Because you say that any fruit that is not from you shall be uprooted, oh God. Father, uproot it. Father, uproot it. God, I worship you because you are the God of yesterday, today, and forever. I believe that you have answered my prayers. Thank you, King of glory. Thank you, Abba Father. For in Jesus' powerful name I have prayed. Amen. Thank you, Jesus.
Zamzam. 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 Zamzam.
There is something I need to tell you.
Zamzam.
What is it?
Your sister is treading on the wrong path. She's fighting the manipulations against her. You need to stop her. If you don't, you will pay with your life.
So what do we do?
You need to get me something which belongs to your sister. That which is a part of her.
Something like that.
Don't ask Zanzam questions. Just do as I have said.
What do I get that belongs to my sister? Eh? Is it how you mean? Telling someone something to do, you will not explain very well. Good morning. Morning. How was your night?
Very well, thank you. And yours?
Great. So where are you up to this early morning?
To see my friend Rebecca. She'll be traveling back to the States soon.
Oh, okay, cool. Her leave was so short. Anyway, my regards to her.
She will hear. Okay, let me get my handbag and other things downstairs.
Oh, you look good.
Thank you. See you soon.
Okay, dear.
How could you let this hatred show? You just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. Oh.
So now, what next?
As long as this pot keeps cooking, she will no longer have control of herself. Nemesis shall be the order of her day and will make her life a living hell.
She would prefer death rather than to live. But what if someone comes in here and sees the pot?
This pot is only visible to you and I.
Jenny, is anything the matter?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
It's just a slight headache.
If you say so. Sister, you're welcome. There is this man I met with today. And I want you to meet with this man. He is a prophet, a true prophet of God. He performs miracles. You need to see this man. Concerning this problem that you've been having with your husband now.
Yes, exactly. I need all this problem to stop.
Yes, that's why I want us to go meet with this prophet. That's if you have the time, you know.
I have all the time. When can we go?
We can go today if you want.
Okay, let me just change into something else.
Thank you. I think I should just call him and tell him we'll be coming. There's no time, okay? No time.
Makashiriba, Santeriba. Charge over Amaretto. My daughter, I've heard all you said. Thank you, sister, for bringing you here. The solution to your problem lies here in my holy temple.
Thank you, prophetess.
It's well with your soul. Take this. Take it. If you go home, sprinkle it all the corners of your house. And this. Rub it all over your body. And you will taste and see that the Lord is good. And you will see the wonders of God.
Thank you, prophetess. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Honey! Honey! Guess what?
You know I'm not good at guessing.
I have just been awarded that contract worth 500 million naira.
It's a lie.
Look at it.
It's a lie.
Look at it. Look at it.
You know what, baby?
What? I can't wait, baby! Wow! Jeez, man. This really pulled through.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you.
Baby, I'm so happy for you. You're just
happy.
the best. You're just... Oh!
What have you done?
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
What have you done? What have you done? Oh my God, what has she done? You've done to me now.
You slapped me. Why do you derive joy in hurting me?
And you still coming here to get me more
sorry, please. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I've never been there for you like that. But from now onwards, I promise to be there for you, okay? This is too much. This is too much. Why would Wilson behave like this? I can't do this any longer. I mean, I can't watch my sister go through this anymore. She has suffered enough in the hands of her husband. She might die if we continue this.
That is the ultimate price she has to pay. And do not forget that you asked for this.
I can't do this. Please, I can't do this anymore. Okay, have me in place of her. I can take her place. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Hello, sir.
Honestly, Mama. Mama, I don't think I can continue with this marriage. I'm fed up. Getting married to her is the worst mistake I've made all my life. I can't go on with this. Everybody in my house has gone crazy.
Don't worry. I'll come see you and your family. Don't worry.
Okay, Mama, I'll be waiting.
This woman will have me to contend with. She wants to kill my son.
I've come to tell you that I want a divorce. These past months you and I have lived together in this house has been the worst period of my life. I don't want any more. This marriage is over. So start packing your things to leave my house.
We were family, we were best friends. And this love, I thought it would never end. How could you let this nothing come between us? How could you let this hatred show? You just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. Why? How could you love me that?
Jambu!
Oga!
Well,
yes, sir.
Mama.
Papa. Son, I know you have a lot of questions to ask. Let's go inside. I will explain.
Let's go in.
Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Where are you going? Will you get back and lock the gate?
Yes, sir.
Why did you eat your wife's face like this? What happened?
You're welcome, Chief. You're welcome, Ma.
You're welcome.
Son, you sounded so unhappy yesterday. What happened? And why is your wife's face badly hurt?
Well, everything I told you about my illness was not true. I told you all that for you to come back home and get married. As you can see, I am healthy. I'm fine.
Father, you pushed me to get married simply because you wanted me to. And you made me marry the wrong woman?
No, son. No. She's the right woman. Every family has its own challenges. And as a man, you have to learn how to comfort your family and solve your problems. Your mother and I used to have problems, but we settle it without hurting each other.
Chief, why are you telling him to calm down? Can't you see our son has gone through a lot? Let's look for a solution in granting him his wish. After all, this marriage of a thing is not a do or die affair.
Oh, I don't know. I just don't know.
I have heard all that you said. I am here to get married, not to destroy. I don't know what is happening. But I love my husband. And I don't want to lose my marriage.
It's okay, my daughter. Shall be well.
Look what anger has cost me. So much pain. I have caused my sister so much pain and sorrow. She does not deserve this. If taking my life will solve this whole problem, then so be it.
Why? How could you let the devil in? Why? And now you've ruined everything. Why? How could you let the devil in? Why? And now you've brought this demon us. Why? And now you've ruined
I'm supposed to be dead. Why am I still alive?
You made a declaration that as long as you live, your sister will not have peace. But you forgot something. You forgot the fact that your life does not belong to you. It belongs to your chief. And only him and him alone can take your life.
I can't do this any longer, please. Just take my life, take it. Take my life, because my life is worth it. Just take my life. Take my life.
How could you let the devil in? Why? And now you've brought this demon us. Why? We were family, we were best friends. And this love, I thought it would never end. How could you let this nothing come between us? How could you let this hatred show? You just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. You just ruined this life. Oh.
Hi. Please, can I sit? Alright, thank you. Sorry to ask, what is the problem?
Does it look as if there's a problem?
No, I'm sorry. But for a young lady like you to be out here, getting herself drunk, it's not normal. What is the problem? Can you talk to me as a friend?
So, if I talk to you now and tell you my problem, how am I sure that you can solve that problem? So, what's the essence of me talking to you?
Come on, you never can tell. You know they say a problem shared is half solved. So just talk to me. Maybe I can be of help. Tell me, what is the problem?
Anyway, I made a wish. But I never knew that I was writing a letter to the devil.
A wish and a letter to the devil? No, I don't understand. Can you help me understand? Can you explain to me?
I know. I said I made a wish. While I was making that wish, I did not know that I was causing more problems for my family. Causing my own sister problems in her own marriage. Suffering in her marriage because of me. I have tried everything. All to no avail. I've done everything, but nothing seems to work. Do you even know the worst part? Anybody that I try talking to or telling my problems, I'm unable to talk. I'm even surprised that I'm even talking to you. You're very lucky.
You know, your story is a really sad one. But there is someone that just got to my mind, and I think the person can be of help. So I just want you to pass me your phone so I can give you my number. We make an appointment tomorrow. Let's say by 8 a.m. we'll go see him. I think he can be able to help you. Yes.
I am sure that if I tell this person my problem, they can solve it.
Yes. Let's just give it a try. It will be alright.
Okay. Can bring your drink.
All right.
Afterwards, I'll give you my number.
All right.
Eh?
That is fine. That is fine. Yeah. That is my drink. I'll share it some you.
My cheek. Why is it that my sister is highly favored than me? Why is it that nothing good can ever come my way? The man that I loved has been taken by my only sister. And to make matters worse, everyone thinks that nothing good can ever come from me. Jenny, from today onwards, as long as I live, you will never have peace in your life.
When two children are fighting and being separated, they will think that fighting is good. But they don't know it can lead to death. You allowed anger and hatred accumulate your heart. But you're just a human. Emotions are part of you. Now you have to go and change that wish which you made. And it may take your life. But the only way out is when you have a pure heart. Yochi loves a pure heart. Now, go back to where you made that wish and the exact time which you said those words. And reverse it. Only then, peace will be restored.
Thank you very much, wise one.
Thank you very much, wise one.
We'll take our leave now.
You may go.
O mele, ndị bani o mele, anyị alawale.
O mele, ndị bani o mele, anyị alawale. O mele.
Please, Jenny. Go through my voice notes. I left a message for you. By the time you see this, I will be dead in the village. I have not been the best sister that you deserve. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Please forgive me.
Why? And now you've ruined everything. Why? And now you brought this human us. Why? And now you brought this curse on us. Why?
I have come to reverse the wish that I made against my sister Jenny. I was only angry and ignorant with my utterances. They were mere careless statements. I never meant it. Please, my great Chi. My great Chi that loves a pure heart. You granted me my wish the first time. Please, grant me this last wish. Please restore peace back to my sister. You can take my life and restore peace back to her. Please, I beg of you. Like you don't want to answer me. For peace to reign, I would remain here till you restore peace back to her. Take my life and restore peace back to her, please. What sister.
What happened to her?
She dropped a voice note. I think she's dead. Let's go to
No.
Let's go to the village.
Dead? What? No. See, it's late already. We can't go to the village now, okay? Let's wait till morning. I'll take you there myself. Okay? Don't worry. It's nothing this serious. You're making it sound like there's something dreadful that has happened. Don't worry. All will be well. I'll take you to the village tomorrow morning. Not tonight. It's late. Please, calm down, okay? Let's go inside. Please.
Yeah, sure. You cannot go this night.
I will take you there tomorrow. Nothing is wrong with her. Okay?
They go by this time of the night. Huh? Not the person that they ask. I said, where you they go by this time of the night? You know they see. You know they see. Samson! Sam! She there here. Hey, Sam! Madam! Hey, Sam!
Good day. Please, where is Elizabeth?
My son, Papa, this is why you people are just suddenly rushing in like this. I hope all is well. And what is it that happened to my daughter?
What is wrong with your face? We'll talk about this face later. But where is Elizabeth now? Where is Elizabeth? Don't tell me you left the city all because of Elizabeth to this village. Is everything all right? Let me check her inside.
Hey.
Elizabeth!
Hey!
Elizabeth!
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 Are you okay?
Elizabeth!
Are you okay?
Are you alright?
I'm alive. Hey, I'm alive.
Let's take her inside.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I should be asking you. Let's go inside.
Guess what?
For what?
Tell us.
my God.
He proposed.
For real?
Yes.
Wow! Congratulations! You know what? This calls for celebration.
Yes.
I'm going to get some drinks so we can have fun.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Let me see the ring again. Let me see the ring. Let me see the ring. Let me see the ring. Oh.
Yes.
So cute.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Whoa! So you're now gonna turn Missy.
Yes.
So which do we start with?
I think we should just start with the white.
The white wine then.